So welcome all of you for a practical session, basic of electrical and electronic engineering. So today is the first lab. So you will going to learn about that practical session over here. So totally you have that 10 experiment. So here I will going to show you the 5 experiment. The 5 experiment is beginning about the electrical oriented. Electrical oriented. What is the electrical oriented? Electrical is consist of what? Electrical is consist of the power. Electrical is consist of the power, AC power, the power supply, AC power supply, or you will going to use the DC power supply. So that is the behind about the electrical. Electrical is nothing but power. Simple in terms. Okay, I will say about the electrical is nothing but power. Then electronics means what? So you have that one. You can say diode, SCR, MOSFET. Okay, these are all the electronics. The electronics is a simple example is your mobile phone. Your mobile phone is an electronics device. That electronic device operate with the help of the electrical power. That electronic devices operate with the help of the electrical power. So mobile phone, for example, you can take the mobile phone. The mobile phone backside is a battery is there. That is the electrical. The battery is there. What about the electronics? Your
No
keyboard.
idea, sir.
Okay, so you can take the example of that mobile phone. The mobile phone battery, it's a behind about electrical and electronics keyboard. Okay, that you have used the keyboard. Okay, that is replaced into the touch screen type of the keyboard. Okay, and display. Okay, light systems. So these all the devices behind about electronics playing the role. So electrical and electronics is included. Okay, let's we going to look it on that one first experiment. Okay, wiring exercise. So you want to learn about that wiring exercise. So here you will going to look it on the wiring exercise means in your domestic. So in your house, wiring connections are there. Okay, that one we're going to look it on the first experiment, wiring exercise. Okay. So we're going to see about the house wiring. So before we're going to look it about that wiring exercise, some basic electrical apparatus you need to know. So what are the basic electrical apparatus means, that is called a tester. Okay, the tester you have know that one. The tester it is used to, you will going to find that one whether line is available or not. Okay, I will tell you one by one. Okay, the tester is one of the equipment. Okay, it is a cost rupees, it's 10 rupees it is available. So like the needle type it is available, needle, here is a needle. Okay, this needle you will going to touch into the line. Okay, and here you will going to, this is a human, through the human. Okay, in your hand you will going to connect it in your testers. Okay, through that hand. See here, the current is a flow through the circuits. It will going to close the circuits. The circuit is closed. If it is a closed, okay, here if you are going to touch on the line, then the light it will going to glow. The light it will going to glow. So light is glow means you will going to coming to know that one, the line is present, line is available, current is available, you can say. Suppose here it is not a line, then what will happen? The light is not glow. So light it will going to glow or not, you will going to check. So that is called a tester. Tester is one of the accessories in electrical. Okay, then second one is a voltmeter. Voltmeter. Okay, the voltmeter is very important to measure the voltage value for a single phase power supply. This is called the phase line, this is called a neutral line. Okay, so take the multimeter. Why do I want to take the multimeter? The multimeter to include for that one, multiple number of the elements are there to measure. One is a current, voltage, AC current, AC voltage, DC current, DC voltage, resistance value you will going to measure. So everything it is included in that one multimeters. So you will going to adjust the knob, it is there. There is a knob. I want to adjust. So voltage, I want to set it on the voltage. There is a range also. What is the range you will going to measure? I select 200 to 300 range. The range you need to select. After selecting the range, you should be ensure either the AC voltmeter you are set it on, or DC voltmeter. So set it on the AC voltmeter. So after set it on that one needle you can connect to the phase line, another needle you can connect it to the neutral line. Then it will going to display the 230 voltage or 220 voltage. It will going to display. The standard voltage is a 230. So due to the drop, okay, in transmission line drop losses, you will going to get the 220. So okay, so like about the voltmeter. So previously we were I said about the tester. So test on that one here. The line is a present or not. Line is a available or not. Current is a flowing to the line or not. So through the tester you will going to connect it to, you can check it. So this is about the importance of the tester and the voltmeter. Okay, so I will going to start with that one lamp systems. I have one lamp. I have one lamp. So this is my lamp. Okay, so this lamp I need to connect it to that one. Okay, the plug point you will want to know. Okay, in your house it is totally what is there means
So
plug
voice is
connections.
breaking.
Sorry, you are not audible.
Okay, plug connections, plug connection if it is available. So plug point, so like about that 5 holes are there. Okay, 5 holes is there. So in that holes backside what is there, power supply is there. Okay, here is a concern of the switches. So when you will going to connect a table fan, for example, you can take about assume about your table fan. Okay, you will going to connect it one point, another point. So when the switch is on, the fan is working. When the switch is off, the fan is off. Okay, uh, okay, so let's I will going to more tell to you one lamp method. So one lamp I will going to take one lamp. This is a lamp. Okay, so here is a phase line, here is a neutral line. Okay, so connected this phase line and a neutral line to the lamp. So how to connect a neutral line means the lamp it has how many terminals, you can going to look it. The lamp has that two terminals, terminal 1 and a terminal 2. Okay, so it is a incandescent lamp, you can take it about incandescent lamp. Okay, so it has the no polarity, no polarity. Similarly AC power supply also no polarity, but you will going to important about that phase line and the neutral lines. Okay, so you will going to connect it one line to the neutral, that's all. Another line is there. Okay, through the switch you will going to connect it. So I will going to use the one switch over here. So through the switch you will going to connect it to the lamp, that's all. This is a switch, connection is over. It's a very simplest method. Okay, so whenever the switch is closed, okay, if it is I will going to change the colors, you will understand. Whenever the switch is closed, what will happen, the current is a flow, current is a flow to the closed circuits, circuit is closed. Okay, so whenever the switch is open, okay, whenever the switch is open or break, so the break the line, what will happen, no current is a flow, no current is a flow, that's all. So this is about the one switch diagram, one switch diagrams. Okay, so one switch diagram, this is about the diagrams. Okay, whenever the switch is on, okay, lamp is it will go to on. So you can take it tabulations. Okay, so take the tabulation. Okay, in the tabulation you will going to write about the switch positions, switch, this is the one switch. Okay, switch position, what is the position of the switch. Okay, and then lamp output, lamp output you will going to write down. What about lamp output, the switch is on. So switch is on means the lamp, what about the lamp, it will going to turn on, it will going to glow. Okay, so it will going to turn on, you will going to write it down that one neatly. Okay, the switch is off. So off means what will happen, the lamp is turn off, it is not glowing, turn off, note down. So that's all, this is a tabulation neatly we're going to fill it. Okay, so this is a one switch type of the connections. So how it is connected, one line is connected to the switch, one terminal, switch another point is connected to the lamp, that is important. Switch another point is connected to the lamp, the lamp another end is one end it is there directly connected to the neutral. So this is about the one switch method. So one lamp method, once again I will tell you, listen. So take one lamp, okay, incandescent lamp. Okay, you are going to take incandescent lamp or whatever tube light you can take, whatever the lamp. So this is a lamp. lamp has that two terminals. This is a terminal number 1 and this is a terminal number 2. So connected to that line. So line, it has that one is a phase line, another one is a neutral line. That's all. So here is the neutral is directly connected to the lamp one end. Directly you will going to connect it. Then this phase line is a, okay, if you will going to connect it directly means, okay, without use the switch it will going to keep on turn on. So through the switch, okay, through the switch I will going to connect it to the lamp. That's all. This is a one lamp method. One switch and one lamp method. One switch is there, one lamp is there. So this is a method. One switch and one lamp method. Okay, whenever you will going to close the switch, whenever you will going to close the switch, okay, I will going to close the switch. What will happen? The current is a flow. At the time only current is a flow to the lamp, and then close to the circuit. Okay, the lamp it will going to glow. Okay, so you will take the tabulations. Okay, the tabulation consists of the two column number 1, the switch is there, one switch, the switch position, note down the switch position, write down here the switch position. Then column number 2, lamp output. So what is the lamp output? You will going to correspondingly write the switch position. This is the switch. Okay, switch is on. Okay, switch is I will going to on. So the lamp is there, it will going to glow, it will going to turn on. Okay, so you will going to write it about the turn on, or you will going to write about the glow. Okay, it will going to glow the light. Okay, the switch is off, 0. So if the switch is off, so what about that one lamp output? The lamp is a turn off. That's all. This is a simple method to complete about this one. Okay, one lamp and one switch method. Okay, so this is a one lamp and one switch method. It's that's all. Okay, whenever the switch is on, the lamp is glow. Whenever the switch is off, the lamp is not glow. Okay. Okay, so this is about one lamp method. Most of we are going to house, okay, lamp, or we are going to use on the fan, whatever it may be, the one switch only method we are going to connect it, okay, in our house. Okay, then second one, staircase method. So staircase method means, what is the staircase? So you are climbing on these steps. There is two switches are there, here one switch and here one switch, okay, in the steps. Okay, so you are climbing on that steps you will going to climb. So here there is a switch is a 2, but a lamp is only one lamp. Okay, during the night time, so you are climbing on that steps. So what you will do, you will going to on the switch, the lamp is turned on, the lamp is turned on. So you are climbing, okay, and then reach on the top, so not needed, so use the switch to turn off. So turn off. So this is called it staircase method. That's why it is coming. Or do I want to give one more example? Means, so this is one more example I will going to tell to you. This is your bedroom, this is your bedroom, this is your cot, this is your cot. So here is a door. So normally, okay, the light, okay, light switches are placed near to the door. Why? Normally the switches are placed near to the door. Do you know why? Once you entered into the room during the night time also, okay, so you should be easiest and convenient to turn on the lamp. That's why nearest to the wall, okay, near to the door wall, it will going to use it on the switch. So turn on, okay, you will going to on the light. Light is now on, light is on. And the fan also there, you will going to turn on, the fan is running. Okay, so during the night time you will going to turn on your light and the fan. Okay, after that you are entering into the room. So after entering to the room, and you are laying on the bed. So laying on the bed, now you need to turn off the light, you need to turn off the light. Then nearby here, okay, there is a switchboard, you will going to keep it with the two switches there. Okay, so this switch you will going to turn off the light, it will going to turn off, light it will going to turn off. So this method, do you want to execute it, you need to install the two-way switch. So here and here, Similarly, here and here you need to install the two-way switch. So that is a two-way switch. You will going to insert it. So let's be okay. So this is that is a necessity for the two-way switch. So let's I will going to tell you detail some more point. Take the switch. This is called a one-way switch, and this is a two-way switch. Two-way, two-way switch. Do you know in the front view, back view, front view, back view. So both also front view is same. Both also front view is same. What is a front view? It will going to turn on, and then opposite side is a turn off. Here also turn on and turn off. It will going to as similar one way method of that one. But when we will going to look it on that switch on the front view, there is a symbol is represented. There is a symbol. Here is a two line is represented in top as well as bottom. There is a two line is represented. The line is a represented two-way switch. It's a front view I am teaching you. Front view as usual for that one on and off. On and off the same. Do you know calling bell? The calling bell is a different. So there is a only one side pressing type. But in normal switch is a on and off. On and off. So both also same operations on and off. But when you will going to look it, so here is a two line is represented. So it's a two-way switch. Okay, this is a front view I am teaching you. So let's be going to look it on the back view. So this is a back view. There is a 1.2 you will going to insert the wire. So there is a 2 point is represented in the switch. Okay, what about here? There is a 3 point is represented. There is a 3 point is represented. This is a differentiation, one-way switch and a two-way switch. This is a differentiation. This is a differentiation. Front view is the same on and off, but a back view when we're going to look it, there is a 2 point. Here is a 3 point. Okay. So just now I completed one switch and one lamp method. 1 second I will draw your diagram for your understanding. Phase line, neutral line. Okay, there is a lamp. Take the lamp. Lamp you will going to insert the holder. The holder output also two wire is coming. One is connected to the neutral. Another point is there that is connected to the what I said phase line. Sorry, phase line is another line connected to the switch one end, and the switch another end is connected to the lamp. This is I say. So this is a diagram. Some practically somewhat I want to go in depth. So replaced. This is a see here phase line. This is a neutral line. So I will going to take this one-way switch. This is a one-way switch. Backside connections, two holes are there. Okay. This is a lamp I want to draw. Okay. This is a point is connected. The phase line is connected to the bottom, and this is a point is again you will going to take to connected to the lamp. So this is a method you need to connect it. Okay, this one-way switch you need to connect it. One-way switch you need to connect it. So what about the two-way switch? So two-way switch consists of the 3 points. So consists of the 3 points. So 3 points why it is given means you will going to connect it to two switches. That is the purpose. So let's we're going to see about the two-way switch. So before that one you will going to look it very clearly. This is a one-way switch. Take the screenshot. One-way switch, theoretical diagram, practical diagram. Okay, this is a difference between the front connections, front view, and back view. So difference between the one-way switch on the front views, two-way switch, and a back view of the one-way switch and a two-way switch. Okay, so take the screenshot. Okay, we're going to move to the two-way switch. Okay, two-way switch. We're going to look it on the two-way switch. So I said about the two-way switch is especially helpful for that one staircase type of the applications. The staircase type of the applications. What is the applications? So lamp you will going to connect it. This is only one lamp. Okay. So here I said phase line, neutral line. So previously one way switch I explained. So neutral line is directly connected to the lamp one end. Yes, connected. Every lamp it is a neutral is coming to connected. One point is a neutral. That's all. Strongly you should be connected. Okay. Then here previously only one switches. Now two switches are present. Two switches are present. That two switches are the two-way switch. That two switches are the two-way switch. Okay, two-way switches you need to use. Okay, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 3 points. Okay, okay, the center point is this point is connected to the center, and this point is connected to this center point is you can connect it to the lamp. Okay, and this two is you may be connected in cross method or straight method, whatever the method you will going to connect it, the lamp it will going to operate. Okay, okay, cross method, that is the correct. That's all. That's all about the connection is over. So we're going to check it on the connections. Okay, so this is switch number 1, this is switch number 2, this is 0 represented off, and this is a on, 1 is represented on, 0 and 1 is represented on. So take the table. The table consists of the 3 columns. Switch 1, switch 1, switch 2, lamp output, lamp output. So let's be going to look it. Okay, so here is very important. Okay, I will going to change it on that one. Okay, I cannot draw. If I will going to draw, you will going to get more confused. So without draw I will tell you. So now the switch is one. Okay, this is switch number 1, this is switch number 2. Okay, switch number 1 is a 0 position, 0 position. Okay, switch number 2 is a 1 position. What about output? See, look it. So phase line is going from here 0 position. So here in downside 0, and then move. It's a top. Okay, 1 position. So here the lamp is getting connections. It will going to glow. It will going to turn on. Okay. Then you will going to interchange. Switch number 1 is 1 position, and switch number 2 is a 0 position. What about output? So from here 1 position go to the 1, coming to here, from 0 to here move, and then it will going to glow. Okay, switch number 1, both switches are 1 position, both switches are 1 position. What about output? So phase line 1, no, the output is 0. Both switches are 0. What about output? 0, 0. The output is a 0. Okay. I think you may be not getting some point. I will going to draw the diagrams, then you will going to understand. Okay. I will take the example on that one. First position 0 1. So switch is connected to the 0. Okay, and the switch 2 is connected to the 1. Is connected. Now current is a flow to the lamp or not? This is the question. Look it. Phase line to the 0, 0 to that one position, 1 position to the lamp. A current is a flow. That's why the lamp is glowing. That's why the lamp is glowing. Okay, so just you can look it on that one. last positions. So this is the off position. From here also, I will change the colors. It's a off position, and then this is also off position. What about result? You want to tell me whether current is a flow or not. So we're going to see. So current is coming, started here, going to here, yes, going to here, okay, correct, going to here, okay, and going to here, okay, but here it will going to stop. Here it will going to stop because switch is connected to bottom. So no connections. That's why the lamp is turned off. So this is about the two-way switches or staircase type of the connections. Okay. So this is a single switch wiring type. Single switch wiring type. See here, the main power supply is there. Okay. This is about the inside the connections of the total tube light connections. Okay. Phase line. Okay, neutral line. Phase line. So through the switch you will going to connect it. That's all. Through the switch you need to connect it. So when you will going to switch is closed, okay, the current is a flow to that lamp. Okay. So normally the choke side is they will going to connect it to the phase line. So choke is there. So choke side you will going to connect it to the switch, okay, and connect it to the phase line. And the neutral line is you can connect it to the another terminals. You know, the AC is no polarity. AC is no polarity. Even you will going to interchange these two, phase and neutral. You will going to interchange. It doesn't affect anything. The best example you will going to see, you have the table fan in your house. So take that plug point and connect it to the socket. You will going to switch on. The fan is rotated on the clockwise directions. You will going to switch off. Change the 2-pin plug point, reverse it, and again switch on. Look it whether the fan rotating the direction is changed.
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
no, because the fan blade is designed on the clockwise rotations. Then only you can get the air. Then only you will going to get the air. So AC is no polarity. AC is no polarity. That's all. So, but properly we need to give. That's okay. See, this is a tube light. Okay. So here you will go to choke side. Okay, this is the inside connection of the tube light. So ready-made tube light you are getting from the shop 250 rupees and connecting to that wires directly. So when you are coming to here, so here you will go to the choke side. Okay, here you will going to connect it to one switch, and after that you can connect it to the base line. I already said lamp directly. You can connect it to the neutral line. So what is that inside? Sometimes a wire is broken inside means you want to look. Base line is connected to the choke by inserting one line, and the choke another point is connected to the lamp one end. Okay, lamp another end is connected to the another end through the starter, and the starter to the you will going to connect it to the one point, and another point you will going to connect it to the neutral. So like about that one, the inside connection of the starter, sorry, inside connection of the tube light. Do you know the starter is a very good one. Uh, Good one means serial light. You know serial light. During the festival time in temple, there is a light, small light. They will going to do the light. It will blinking. It will blinking.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So yeah.
Yes, sir.
So correct. So the one one switch method you can draw once again. I will tell you. So phase, neutral. So here is a switch, and the switch is directly connected to the lamp. Okay. Uh, Connected to the neutral. So normally the switch is closed means what will happen? Can I get your response? Switch is closed. What it will happen?
Lamp glow.
Very good. Lamp it will going to glow you. Okay. Uh, it will going to glow continuously. I need blinking. I need blinking the lamp. What to do? I need blinking. What to do?
On off.
Yeah. Do I want to do every time this switch on and off, on and off, on and off?
Use starter.
This starter you can take it. This starter you will going to 5 rupees starter. Okay. So you will going to take and insert it in seriously. You will going to insert. So break this lamp point and connect it to the starter input and another point of the starter. So you can do it and try it on that one. The starter you will going to insert it. Now this lamp is blinking. It will going to blink. You can try in your home. Okay, and it is not affected, but very carefully once you will going to connect the wire, use insulation tape. Okay, properly you will going to tape, apply the tape. Any case don't sorted these two line. If you're going to sorted, you will going to get the spark. You will going to get the spark. So be careful. Any case don't sorted the phase and neutral line. Okay, so this is about the tube light connections, connection of the tube light. So note down about that one. This is a connection method, choke connection and the starter connections, and the starter diagrams I said about, sorry, starter application I said to you. Okay, blinking application. So recent days you are getting about the what is that one, electronics choke. Electrical choke is replaced into the, okay, this is electrical choke. I will show you electronics chokes. Okay, I will show you on that one. Okay, before we're going to look at about the electrical choke. Okay, this is electrical choke. Okay, neutral line directly connected to this point, base line through the switch, it is connected to the choke input, choke output is connected to the lamp, lamp output is connected to the starter, starter to the point, and the point to the neutral. Okay, so the same diagrams I got connected with the switch. With the switch I can show you. Okay, electronic switch, sorry, electronic choke, not electronic switch, electronic choke. This is about the electronic choke. It consists of that four terminal and two terminals. It consists of the four terminals and two terminals. So like it is connection is there. The switch is the base line. Okay, connected and connected to the one part A you will going to connect it, and the part B you will going to connect it to the neutral line. Part B you will going to connect it to the neutral line, and here you have for that one two, okay, totally four lines are there. So four lines. Okay, so directly connected to the one point, lamp one point, lamp another point. Here is a lamp one point and a lamp another point. So lamp one and lamp two. Okay, lamp one and lamp two. So you will going to connect it directly. Okay, if you're going to connect it, what will happen? Okay, so whenever you will going to switch is on, the lamp, it is both the lamp and that tube light inside the lamp, it will go to glow. So this is a wiring connection of the electronics choke, electronics chokes. It doesn't require for that any starter. Do you know this tube light? It is the purpose of the choke and the starter. Okay, the purpose of the choke and the starter. The starter, it is helps to boosting the values, boosting, increase the voltage. Okay, the choke, it will going to limit for that higher ranges of the voltage. It will going to withstand the higher ranges of the voltage. That higher ranges of the voltage is needed to filament. Okay, this filament is needed. The tube light, it is a, okay, the mercury is need to converted, okay, vapor into that one light stage. Okay, liquid into the vapor, liquid stage, normally liquid, okay, into vapor it will going to convert. So that conversion needed for the higher ranges of the voltage. It is helps to boost. Starter is used to, you can boost the voltage. It will going to help for that one higher ranges of the voltage, maintaining and limiting the choke. This is the purpose. So electronics tube light. Okay, so coming to the staircase wiring. So this is staircase wiring. So door 1, door end. Okay, so when you are going to insert, okay, sorry, when you are going to entering one door, so in bottom side you will going to turn on the lamp, and after reached you will going to turn off the light. So this is a purpose about the staircase method, wiring method. So wiring diagram. So how about the connections? I will show you one more diagrams. So this is the connection diagrams. Okay, center point you have connected. Center point you will going to connect it to the lamp. Okay, so previously I show you cross connections. Okay, you have possibilities state connection also, but the tabulation it will going to change. The tabulation it will going to change. Okay, yeah. So both also this is a one line diagram. See here, this is your somewhat clarity. Okay, so we will going to look it about this diagram tabulations. So take that one table. So previously I have show you 1 and 2 is connected, 1 and 2 is connected. So this is a table. Is it visible my drawing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is switch number 1, switch number 2. This is a lamp output. Lamp output. Okay, what are the possibilities? Possibilities is a 1 1 0 0. Okay, 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. These are possibilities, 4 possibilities. Then what is output? We want to look it on that this output. Okay, so both the switches are connected on the 1 positions. So switch is on 1, switch is on 1. What is output? Switch is on, switch is on. So the current is a flow from base to the 1, line to the here, and the lamp is the glowing. It will going to turn on. Okay. Similarly, when 0 0 also, what will happen? It is coming on the downstairs. Again, it will going to glow. What about these two cases? These two cases are turn off. I will show you demo, but you will going to listen. Okay. See, these two cases are the off. These two cases are turn off the lamp. Okay, these two cases are the turn off the lamp. Lamp is in off conditions. When you compare with this table and the previous tables, previously demo you, I show you these two is on, these two is off. That is the difference because of the connections. Previously cross connections, now it is a parallel connection. Okay, so I will go to okay, this 1 1 means I show you, so phase to the 1 to the line to the here, and then connected to the lamp. Okay, and I will show you one more 1 0. I will going to change the color. 1 is connected and 0 is connected. 1 is connected and 0 is connected. Okay, now does the current is a flow? You can look it, phase line to the 1 to here. The switch is not connected, not close. The lamp is not glow. That's all. So I will going to give you one more diagrams. For example, one lamp. This is a one lamp. Okay. Okay. So take example. So one lamp is a one lamp and one fan. Okay, one fan you will going to take. The fan has that two terminals. The lamp also, the lamp it has that two terminals. Okay, one lamp and one fan. And take it about the motor also. So take about that one motor. Okay, these three I need to connect it. Okay, mine is a this is a point. Okay, there is a switch number 1, switch number 2. Okay, one more switch and a plug point. So plug point, okay, you need to connect it. Okay, switch number 1, one way switch. Switch number 1, okay, switch number 1, switch number 2, and switch number 3, and then this is a plug point. Okay, here you need to connect it. How to connect it, I will going to teach you. So I said about that one. So here is a neutral line. Change the colors. Neutral line. What is this? Neutral line. So take the neutral line, connected it to your lamp, 1 point, fan, 1 point, motor, AC motor, small submergible type of the motor. Okay, one point you will gonna connect it. So another point. Okay, so before you will gonna connect it, this is a pace line. This pace line is connected to that your switches you will gonna connect it. So switch has that two terminals. Not two term. It's a 2 point. It has a 2 point. Okay, so here you will going to connect it. Here you will going to connect it. Here you will going to connect it. Okay, so you will going to connect about that one. Okay, you will going to connect. Then base line is connected to that your switch. Okay, you got connected. Then output terminal. So I will going to change the colors, red colors. Okay, switch number 1 is connected to the your lamp. Switch number 2 I will going to connect it to the fan. Okay, switch number 3 directly I will going to connect it to the motor. Yes, that's all. So when switch number 1 is on, okay, you will go to this lamp is glow. Then switch number 2 is on, the fan is on. Then switch number 3 is on, then motor is on. So this is a practical connection view of that one your householding. So this is a household connection diagram. Household connection diagram. That's all. So one line diagram of that above. How to draw? So pace line, then neutral line. Okay, then you will going to connect it. So you will go straight about these two, pace and neutral. Okay, change the colors. I will change the colors. So here switch number 1, switch number 2, and switch number 3. So switch number 3. So 1, 2, 3 we will going to give the name 1, 2, and 3. So switch number 1, 2, 3, and connected to that lamp. The lamp you will going to connect it to the lamp. Okay, this is a lamp. This is a fan. Lamp, fan, and a motor. Lamp, fan, motor. So neutral terminal directly connected to that one, directly connected to that one, directly connected to that one. That's all. So this is single line diagrams. So light, fan, and a motor. Okay. So above previous one is I show you the practical diagram. This is a single line diagram. So this is a household method connection diagrams. Household connection diagrams.